Now I still have my old chain. I didn't touch it up since last time, so let's see how it'll work. Let me show you my idea I came up with to get this rope out of the tree if I couldn't get the branch to break. So the way I did my rope, so I can get it back down if I couldn't get the branch to break, I had my little bowline hitch on the end, then I fished my rope through it, and then I pulled it up to the tree so you know it cinched down on the branch, and then I tied this end to the come along. But what I did in case I couldn't get that branch to break, I just left the rope tied to it, so then I could pull it back out of the tree and I wouldn't have a permanent tree swing if I couldn't get the branch loose. So slingshot, rope, come along, got the Widowmaker down, saved me a couple $100, somebody climbing the tree. I think the time was worth it. Now I'm just gonna finish cleaning up. Gotta get this cleaned up. I'm actually gonna go cut that tree up that fell across my path a couple weeks ago, so I can get all that stuff out of the way and stacked. It's like a megaphone. Oh, oh. dead tree that was crossing my path. Man, she is dry and ready to go straight on the fire pit. Maybe I'll take the axe and just split it down. But right now I'm gonna move it over there and stack it with the other stuff. Just get this cleaned up. It's a cool little log. She is just a hollow. This hollow stump is going to be awesome on the bonfire. We'll have to make a video of that. Get that out of the way. This Widowmaker was still solid on the inside. You can see on the outside though, started rotting away. The inside's still solid. Some heavy stuff. And that sure would have hurt coming down on top of the head. Over here running a splitter or something, you'd never hear it crack. I might have to run these through the splitter. They're a little solid in the middle. Welcome home, baby. Yeah. Yeah. I did it. The Widowmaker is gone.
Whoa.
Oh, is that a heavy book bag?
It scraped my shoulder.
The little one just got home from school. You want to come over here and tell him something?
Oh. Like and subscribe again.
Like and subscribe. Oh, I'm good. I'm not thirsty. Thank you, though. How was school?
Good.
Good. A 10. What is that?
Literally like out of 100.
Oh, on a test?
That means they only got one right.
Oh my goodness. Now a little cleanup. I'm not sure where my pallets are gonna go. So I'm gonna cut this log back some and roll it. Then I have some room. I can figure this stuff out. But yeah, got that moved out of the way. I don't want to cut it up yet. I don't want the ends to rot out on me. I want to keep it good looking, so I'll cut those up eventually when I'm ready to stack them. But for now, we got an open space, got it cleaned up. Oh man, I gotta cut that stump. I forgot about this stump. She getting hot. Let me see if we can pop it. I went and got the wedge and the sledge. I don't know if we could pop it, but we're gonna give it a try. Nope. There, we got a chunk. Let me move my saw before I end up slinging a sledgehammer into it. That's the little last piece holding on. Let's see if the dull chain can get that. Done.